Just wanted to have another little look at trying to get this LED working across the motor. The motor's actually got a couple of inductors on it, which I assume are to reduce electrical interference or something. A couple of inductors and a couple of little capacitors. If I actually connect the LED across the motor, let's see if we can get it the right way round. That one goes round to there, and then this one to the other side. Probably connect it on the leg of that capacitor, and that should do it. And if I just short across the switch, actually see the LED is lighting. It's flickering, it's not doing its proper on-off flash. If I reposition, let's try and remember which way round. If I reposition this one directly to the battery terminal, so it's the other side of that inductor. And we are getting a bit of a flash now, but it's quite faint. Would it make any difference if I do it the other way round? Go on that side. That's obviously straight across the battery now. Yeah, that's straight across the battery. Yeah, that's what I was demonstrating before. That's when I lose all current flow through the LED, I would say. So if we go back to, hang on, I've lost track of which way round I am. Yeah, other way round. That one to there. That one to there. Yeah, only just flashing on and off. So it looks like those inductors are having an effect, and if I bypass one of them we can get it flashing. But not very strongly. I think I'll go with what I've got with the lights in there rather than the LEDs. Like I say, it'd be nice if we could have it flashing, but it's just not going to happen at the moment. Not without doing something a bit clever.